Hello, my name is Daniel Henry, and right now I'm going to show you how to track your time in Grindstone. Grindstone keeps a list of all the things you work on. These are called work items. Click Work Items in the list on the left side of the window to see the work items Grindstone currently has. When you see the work item you're ready to track time for, select it and click the Start Timing button. Or, right-click it and select Start Timing. Or, click it and press the F5 key on your keyboard. If you don't see an appropriate work item in the list, just type what you're working on in the ribbon on the top of the window, and Grindstone will create a new work item for you. Now that you're timing a work item, you should see the timer running on the left side of the ribbon. By default, this timer tells you the total time you've tracked against this work item, but you have options. To change what this timer shows you, or to turn it off, just click the Grindstone logo on its left side. Whenever you start tracking time for a work item, a time slice is created. Time slices are how Grindstone keeps track of exactly when you started working, when you stopped, and what you were working on. To see a list of your time slices, click My Time Slices in the list on the left side of the window. Here, you can see the time slice that was created when you started timing. Now, you're free to get to work. Since you probably don't want Grindstone taking up valuable screen space while you're working, but you do want to keep an eye on your time tracking, you can make Grindstone shrink down to just the ribbon on the top of the window. To do that, click the Stopwatch Mode toggle button on the far right side of the ribbon. You can make the stopwatch ribbon shorter or longer, and you can move it by clicking and dragging the timer. Clicking the toggle button will return you to the full Grindstone interface. You can also double-click on the timer in the ribbon to quickly switch between stopwatch mode and the full interface. You can switch which work item you're timing while Grindstone is in stopwatch mode. One way is to type the name of a work item into the text area here. Another way is to click the Select Work Item button, which will show you a list of your work items. Just click another work item on the list and Grindstone will start timing that one. Last but not least, let's talk about away detection. When Grindstone thinks you've left your computer, it will automatically stop tracking time. When you return to your computer, Grindstone will ask you what you were doing while you were gone. You can choose to discard the time, put it all under the work item you were timing when you left, put it all under a different work item you select, or to show Grindstone what you were doing with that time if you did more than one thing while you were gone. The area on the right side of this window is how your time will be recorded. When you're editing the time you've been away, this will start out blank. The area on the left side of the window is a set of tools to add new time slices to the area on the right. To add a new time slice, select a work item from the list, choose the range of time for the new time slice, and then click the Add Time Slice button. You can also choose the range of time first, and then just double-click a work item to add a time slice more quickly. Don't worry about having to correct for overlap of time slices. Grindstone will do that for you automatically. Adjust the ranges of the time slices on the right as you see fit, and Grindstone will continue to make additional adjustments to prevent overlap. Once you're done, click the OK button. If you left Resume Timing checked on the Welcome Back window, Grindstone has already resumed timing the work item you left it timing when you went away. If you're working on something else now, you can easily move the new time slice to a different work item by right-clicking on the Select Work Item button in the stopwatch ribbon, and then selecting what you're working on now. Now you have all the tools you need to keep incredibly accurate tracking of your time.